Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another CVS haul. If you are new here and you like couponing, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome back. I really appreciate you always coming back to watch my videos. So I went to CVS today. I decided to be doing my hauls on Sundays so that any of my subscribers that are following my deals will have enough time to do their deals, because the deals is always good for a week. So I decided to do it on Sundays to put my videos out there as soon as possible for you guys. Okay, so I went today after church and my store is always almost out of everything that I wanted, and it's just the first day of the deal. I don't know what's going on, but I really had a good time at CVS. So I did 2 transactions because if I have to combine my deal into one transaction, I'm going to have to spend about $25 out of pocket cash. I'm going to get it back, but I don't want to take that amount of money out of my purse to pay, if I'm making sense here. So couponing is you spending the least possible money that you can spend out of your pocket. That's what I know as savings. So I split out my transaction into 2. So that I can roll my Ecbs to my second transaction. So I did this part, the first transaction, and this other part is my second transaction. So let me start with the mouthwashes. I wanted to do the Crest Scope mouthwashes, which were on sale for $4.79 each. When you buy one of those, you get back a $3 Ecbs, but my store was out. So I decided to do this one because I had a whitening CRT that I thought was going to attach to them, but did not attach. But anyways, so these 2 mouthwashes, they're on sale this week for buy one, get a $2 Ecb. They are the good ones, but they're smaller in size. They are priced at $4.99 each at my store. So I picked up the 2 of them for $4.99 each. So I used $1 off of one manufacturer coupon from the August P&G, and I had a $1 off of 6 mouthwash. So after those 3 coupons came off, I don't have the correct amount of money I paid on this right now, but I was supposed to pay, well, yeah, I have it. So after my coupons came off, both of them came out to be $9.98. So after I used my $3, I paid $6.98 out of pocket for those 2, and I go back a $4 Ecb. I don't have the Ecbs for this first transaction anymore because I wrote them into the second transaction. So I'm not going to have it to show you guys. So I paid $6.98 and I go back 4. So making the 2 of them $2.98 out of pocket. So the next thing I did in this transaction was the CoverGirl products. They are on promotion this week for spend $15, get back a $6 Ecb. So I picked up 3 of the brow pencils. They didn't have the colors that I wanted, but I took these ones. I'm going to donate these ones because they're brown. I'm going to donate them. I'm not going to use these ones. So they are on sale. Well, they're on promotion this week for $5.99 each, and they are also spend $15, get a $6 Ecb. So I had $3 off of one coupon from I think 2 weeks ago, and I was out of those. But this week, today, we received another coupon for another CoverGirl coupon in the newspapers this week. So I used, but those are $2. They are not $3. So that made me pay $2 more than I planned to pay, which turned out to be okay. So 3 of them came out to be $17.98. But my store follows the 98% rule, so my Ecbs will still print out. If your store does not follow the 98% rule, then it's not going to print out. So make sure your store is following that 98% rule. So $17.98 is good for my threshold of $18. So after I used $3 off of one, and then I used $2 off of one, which makes them 4 and 3, $7 right there. And we received a $3 mystery coupon from the Redbox machine. Today, when you go in the store, you have to scan your card to get your mystery coupon. So I paid the $3 into this deal. Then I paid $7.98 out of pocket for the 3 of them. I paid $7.98, and I got back $6 in ECB, making all 3 of them $198. But they count towards beauty, so that is $17 towards my $30 beauty reward. So that is going to be pushing me to closer to my $3 back on beauty. So yeah, the next deal that I did were on the Chic razors. These are on promotion this week for buy, spend $20, get back a, I don't want to tell you the wrong thing. It's spend $15, get back $5 in ECB. Spend 15, get 5. So I picked the, and they are 2 for $14. And if you buy any other one after that one, if you buy a single one, it's $7.99. But the 2 of them will be 14. So 2 is $14, and the third one is $7.99. So the 3 of them came out to be $21.98. I picked up two women, and then I picked up 1 man because I have too much of the women razors, so I decided to start picking up the male ones too, because I don't want to have all females in case I'm needing 1 male sometimes. So I picked up 2 females and 1 male. So the 3 of them came out to be $21.99. Then I used a $4 off of 1 coupon from 2 weeks ago. I used 3 of those. I did not have any CRT to pair in with this deal. So after my coupons came off, I paid $9.99 out of pocket. And I got back a $5 ECB, which makes them $4.99 for all 3 of them razors. Sometimes we get razors for free, but I really wanted to get these razors because I have the ECB to roll. So it makes 3 of them $4.99. Not too bad a deal. So yeah, and then the last thing I picked up in this transaction were the Revlon and the Almay lip products. These are on promotion this week for if you buy any 2 Almay or Revlon lip products, you get back a $5 ECB, and they are all priced at $7.99 at my store. So I picked up this one. This one is the I'm trying to find it's a lip balm. It's just a lip gloss. It's a Revlon Super Lustrous lip gloss. So yeah, and then I picked up the Almay Goddess gloss. It's also a lip gloss. So the 2 of these came out to be $15.98 for both of them. And then I had a $4 CRTs for each of them from last week. I didn't use them. So after those 2 CRTs came off, I paid $7.98 for both of them. And I got back a $5 ECBs, making them $2.98. Both of them for $2.98. I am going to use this. So, and these are like the expensive products at CVS. So getting those for $2.98 is not too bad a deal. So this is the end of my first transaction. After everything is said and done on this transaction, here's my receipt for this transaction. And here's all the coupons that came off. Let me focus for a minute so you can see. There you go. So yeah, this is all the coupons that I tendered to the cashier, and everything came off except for one, which is the mouth, the crest whitening. CRT did not come. Oh, excuse me, the list on my arm. I had to stop by Walmart, so I had to write what I need in the store down before I forget. So yeah, don't worry about that. Let's focus on this right here. So yeah, Everything came off except for that one that I told you about. And here's all the Ecbs that I rolled. I got all this from last week. And this is a total of 10 items in this transaction. And my subtotal came out to be 72 cents. Guys. So even though some of my CRTs did not come off, some coupons were not what I wanted to use, I still have a subtotal of 72 cents. And taxes is always something that always gets me. At CVS, we pay too much on taxes. I don't know why we have to pay this much. But yeah, my taxes was $5.75, guys. Well, I'm not worried about the tax. That's something we have to pay. So, but my subtotal was 72 cents. And then with my taxes, I gave the cashier $6.47. But then I received about $15 back in Ecbs. I believe, because I got $4 for these ones. I got five. I got 5, so that's 10. That's 14. Well, I got about $20 back on this transaction. And after that, so well, I had a savings of 99% on this transaction. Now I'm going to the second transaction. I picked up, this is the spend 30 get a $10 back in Ecbs. So I picked up 3 of the Pantene shampoo and conditioner. These are 3 for $12. The Head and Shoulders are 2 for $12. And the Crest toothpaste were $2.99 each. So all of these came out to be $30 and some change. I don't remember right now. So this is all $30 and some change. I used 2 of the $2 off of 1 coupons that came out of the August P&G, and the 5 off of 3 coupons from the same August P&G, and 3 off of 2 from the same August P&G. And then I had some app-only coupons for Head and Shoulders. I had a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT that I paired into this deal. So after all those CRTs and Ecbs and those coupons came off, my total for all these right here came out to be $9.48 out of pocket. Then I got back a $10 Ecb, which is this one right here. I got back a $10 Ecb for spending $30 on those products, and I paid $9.48 for them. So making all of these right here free. So the next thing I picked up in this transaction was the Gillette razors. These are on promotion this week for spend $25, get back I think it's spend $15, get back a $8 Ecb. If I am wrong, I'm going to put a correction on the screen right here. I think it's spend 15, get back 8. Or spend 20, get back 8. I will look for sure and put it on the screen. So I picked, and they are $7.99 each. I picked up 3 of them for $23.98. This is all men's. The women's were out in my store. These 3 came out to be $23.98. Right, yeah. $23.98. Then I used $4 off of 1 coupon for each one of these, and a $5 off of 20 CRT. So after those 2 coupons came off, I paid $11.98 for these 3, and I got back $8. So like $3.98 for all 3 of them. Not a bad deal. So this is the $8 that I got back for those razors. So I used the Ecbs that I got from my first transaction to pay for this transaction. So my total for this transaction came out to be, sorry, I'm trying to find it. It came out to be $195 cash out of pocket. So yeah, and my taxes over here again is $4. So I paid $195 out of pocket. Subtotal came out to be $195 out of pocket, and I got back $18 in Ecbs. So, and I will be getting nothing less than $3 back on Beauty Box, because all of this right here is they count towards beauty. I think razors count towards beauty too. I'm not pretty sure, but I have a whole bunch of makeup. I have a whole bunch of beauty products here. The CoverGirl's Beauty, and that's like over $15. These are also $15, and that, so I'll be getting at least $3 back on these beauty items. So yeah, that's all my that's my haul for this week. I'm sorry this video was kind of long. I'm just trying to explain this to you so you can understand, in case you want to follow any of these deals. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to do so and click your notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. Until I come across your way next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.